that is also homegrown. Take us through the name of the company, perhaps what it is, and also how much are they investing in the economy with regards to this project?
Well, Mulilo is a homegrown outfit by locals. The total value of the 616 megawatts that we are announcing today is just above 9 billion rands. So that's the size of the ticket that gets to be invested here. So I think what is important here is to illustrate that with the maturity of the electricity sector in the country, especially cleaner sources of energy, now you are having local players who are able to raise their hands and say that we've got the know-how, the technological expertise, they're able to raise the money in the debt capital market to support their participation. So the participation of South Africans doesn't only rely on BEE shareholding, but genuinely homegrown South Africans. But we're taking it a step further. Because of our history, I think we've got an obligation to ensure that you deracialize, if you like, the economy of the country, and that's why that dispensation for black players will always remain, a minimum of 40% black participation. Everyone, Mulilo and Skatek, who have won this round and the previous round, have to meet that minimum floor. That's the floor, that's not the ceiling. The participation could be significantly higher. But what we want to do going forward is to ensure that we are able to support black participation from an equity participation point of view. And that's why your DFIs are going to be very important, so that we design a special dispensation to support black participation. The second one is to build an industry on the back of what we are doing. We're going to announce the IRP 2025. You'll see that battery energy storage solution is still going to be a big part of that, solar, PV, and wind a part of that. So you need to build an industry on the back of that. If you look at the previous bid windows, we've invested upwards of 240 billion rands, but there's no industry. We're not manufacturing panels at the right numbers, right quality, and also at the right price. We are not manufacturing batteries. All of these things will be imported into the country. Of course, there's a condition for local content, about 3.7 billion rand. But out of 9 billion rand, that's we need to up the game. So we have to be deliberate, and that's the direction we're taking.